Read about nutrition. It is a life process. So what is nutrition? The process of obtaining and utilizing nutrients is known as nutrition. So what is nutrients? Nutrients, these are the chemical substances that is required for the maintenance and survival of life. So how that help in the survival? Nutrients are the chemical substance that provide energy to our body, that build our body and protect us from different diseases. So in human being, the process of nutrition, it is performed by a system. So then you know we have different system in our body, organ systems. So that process is performed by digestive system. So here digestive system, there are two different aspects of digestive system. One is digestive system. So the first aspect is alimentary canal, and next one is digestive glands. Alimentary canal and digestive gland. So what is alimentary canal? So it is a muscular tube that begins with mouth and ends with anus, and it has a different diameter from top to bottom. So we can define alimentary canal as alimentary canal is a muscular tube varying in diameter, begins in mouth and ends with anus. Then what is digestive glands? There are three different digestive glands in the digestive system that help in the process of digestion, that are salivary glands, liver and pancreas. Yes, so let us see, this is a model of digestive system. Here, this is the organs of the digestive system are mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus. So in this model you can see all this. This is the mouth through which food enter into our body. This is the esophagus. This is the stomach. This is the small intestine. This one is the large intestine. This is the rectum and this is the anus. All these organs together, they perform the function of nutrition and provide nutrient to our body. These organs have different function for nutrition. So nutrition in human being, it is a very long process. There are 5 different sub-steps in nutrition. So what are they? That are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. So what is ingestion and in which organ ingestion takes place? Ingestion, it is taking in food into the body is known as ingestion. The organ of ingestion is mouth. Then digestion. The conversion of complex food material into simpler form is called digestion. The organs of digestion are mouth, stomach and small intestine. Next one is absorption. The digested food get absorbed in our body and that is utilized for different purpose. That is called absorption, and the organ for absorption is small intestine. Then assimilation. Utilization of digested and absorbed food in our body tissue is known as assimilation. Then egestion, the undigested food material is removed from our body, that is known as assimilation. That food material is stored in the last part of the alimentary canal, that is rectum, and thrown out through anus, which is known as egestion.